Hello everyone, welcome to Patentmonetize. Today, let's answer a big question. Patent commercialization or patent acquisition, which one's the better option? Patent commercialization means you own a patent and you make money from it. You can do that either by licensing, selling, or using it to create products of your own. On the other hand, patent acquisition means you buy existing patents. You do this to strengthen your portfolio, protect your market position, or gain a strategic advantage. If you're an inventor or startup, commercialization can help you generate long-term income. But if you're a company looking to expand fast, patent acquisition can save time and give instant market control. Both strategies can be powerful, it really depends on your goals, budget, and timeline. So, before deciding, think about what outcome you want most, steady income or strategic expansion. To learn how to maximize your patent's value, visit www.patentmonetize.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more patent insights with Patentmonetize.